Hi everyone, today we will discuss one of the important design pattern in Java, that is singleton design pattern. In interview question they will ask write a singleton design pattern. We will see top 5 questions in singleton design pattern. List what are the singleton predefined singleton classes given by Java, and what's the difference our normal class and singleton class, and how to instantiation like eager instantiation or lazy instantiation, and how to achieve thread safety for your class. Each every point will create one program and we'll see the what are the differences. First, as the name itself, what is a singleton? Singleton means we can create only one object. What is the use? That means reusing the object whenever required in your class. When you are developing a project, you created one class. This is useful for everyone. In the time, if you made as a singleton, no need to create number of objects. The purpose the purpose of singleton is to control object creation by keeping private constructor. In the real time, where it is useful means it is used for global configuration like log4j. Like example, we will see like who developed in the projects, they will use for the logging purpose like log manager, get manager, like that. Some predefined log4j and sl4j, there they will be used for this singleton classes. And before going on what are the singleton, okay, we will see which classes they given. Runtime, this is one of the run singleton class given by Java. It is available in the lang package, java.lang.runtime package, and they provided in JDBC they given as java.sql.driver manager. These are the singleton classes. By using these singleton classes, you can know your system how much memory is there, how much free memory, how much you use. Everything will get to know through program. We will see small program in singleton class. Before going that, what are the steps you need to follow? We need to follow 4 steps to create a singleton. We'll create a class. I created one package com.design pattern. I'm taking employee object. First we created the class. Okay, next step, what? Make a constructor as private. So we will write one constructor private employee. So if you create employee constructor, no one can access outside the class. That means outside the class we can't access this private constructor. Next, we'll create one static instance method. So before going there, we will initialize the employee at the private level. So static employee emp is equals to null. Just I assigned some value. This is called eager initialization. Sorry, this is called, we will see when we discuss that point. I will tell you what is that one. Next, we'll create one static method, private static employee get instance. Okay, we will see some if employee equals to null. What I am doing is I am creating the new object. So I created whenever this is class is loading, first it will initialize with the null value, return emp. So if it is whenever you are calling get instance method, it will check whether the emp is null or not. If it is a null, it will create the new employee object and it will return the emp. By using that one, so developer can create only one object. So we will see whether it is creating one object or multiple objects. Employee emp is equals to, it is a static method, so by using class name I can call get instance method. If I see emp, okay, just will run the program, run as Java application. See, if you observe this one, what did happen? Qualifier name, that means full package name of your employee, in which package, design pattern and which class, and it will generate one hexadecimal code. So if you, I will create two more objects. We will see is it given as a single object or multiple objects. So I'm created one more emp e1. So if you observe this one, see two objects are saved. So by using that Singleton class, we need to follow these steps. See what is a Singleton class, how to create Singleton class in Java. We'll see what is the difference between Singleton class and normal class. If you take, if normal class means, you know very well, you can create an object, you can create any number of objects of employee. So that means Singleton means only one object you can create. Normal class means how many objects you need to create. Next, how to provide thread safety for Singleton. So it's very simple, just I'm copying this object to one more, employee 1. So same class, just I'm modifying something. See here, before doing that, how to provide means we can provide like that, synchronization. Synchronized keyword means only one thread can access your employee object at a time. So no other threads cannot allow to execute this piece of code. If you have 100 lines of code, you only one thread can access. So in single thread environment, it will be executed. By using this one, we can allow the thread safety. Thread safety. What is the use? In order to inconsistency results, to remove inconsistency results, we will use this is synchronized keyword. So here some tricky question will be there. See, we are using thread safety by using Singleton. Here one more is double locking Singleton. Already we are doing synchronization, they are asking double checking. Why double checking means, if suppose multiple threads are there, they're accessing simultaneously your code. Okay, so one here you wrote 100 lines of code. Okay, I will create a new class and I will explain this one. Employee 2, thread safety. See here, suppose assume 100 lines of code I wrote. but 5 threads require 5 lines, 10 threads require 1 line. So in this case, if I keep as a synchronized here, only one thread can access at a time. Instead of here, when I wrote 100 lines, instead of I need these 3 lines should be synchronized. In that case, we will go for double locking synchronization. How we will write, we will see. First of all, if we'll check emp is equals to null or not. This is for single check. Next, there is synchronization keyword we can apply for the block also. How we can see employee. This is the syntax. We need to pass employee object dot class, and here if again we can check one more time. So emp is equals to new employee. So what I am returning, just returning emp. So this is for single check. This is single checking. So I will remove here synchronizer keyword. So any number of threads, so it is throwing exception, add the return statement. Sorry, I wrote here. If I remove synchronization, all threads up to here, it can execute this one. Whenever if I use this synchronized keyword, only one thread can allow, remaining operations can perform remaining threads. There is no issue. Why they introduced with this synchronization means improving performance. Improving performance by locking critical section of code. I need some threads only execute this piece of code. I don't want to lock remaining threads. I want to lock only these 10 threads. So these 10 threads, it will come one by one in this block. But these 15 threads at a time, it can allow. Because of that one, we are removing here synchronized keyword. We are using as a synchronized block. This is called synchronized block, we can call. Why synchronization means to improve the performance of the application. This is called thread safety and double locking singleton. One more question is, what is eager instantiation and lazy instantiation? In few interview questions they will ask this question. What is lazy? We no need to do. I'm deleting first class. We will copy and we will see. Eager means at the time of class loading itself, we are creating the object. That is called eager initialization. See, no need to null checking anything. So this is called eager instantiation. Okay, here we no need to call get instance method also. Directly you can see. Now execute. So object is created at the time of class loading itself. there is a static means when it will be load at the time of class loading itself, the object will be created. That is called eager initialization. Okay, when you see this class, what will happen? Whenever you required, then only you will call by using get instance method. That is called lazy initialization. This is called lazy initialization. These are the 5 important questions in singleton design pattern. If you have any doubts, please comment in the YouTube videos. If you have personal doubts, anything, you can send email to this email ID. Java Express channel @gmail.com.